Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Zelle to GCash. First, you can see from here Zelle doesn't support international transaction because Zelle is only for the sender or recipient from the US bank accounts. That's when you can't send money from Zelle to your GCash directly. For this, you must use this platform, Wise platform. From here, you can connect your Wise account with your Zelle account. Then you must need to send the money from your Zelle account to your Wise account. From here, then you can add a recipient. From here you can see you can add a recipient from Philippines. For this you just need to type PHP Philippines, just because of GCash is available in Philippines. Now from here you just click on enter bank details. Now select who is your recipients. For myself, and then from here in the e-wallet section you can find the GCash. Here you can select it and you can enter the recipient's e-wallet number. That's mean the GCash wallet number. From here you just need to ask for the wallet number and you just need to enter the wallet number and click on confirm to add the recipient. Then you can transfer the money from your Wise account to your GCash account, and this will be your own account. From here, that's how you can indirectly send money from Zelle to GCash. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.